Even though an ice age would be of great environmental impact, it should not be used to diminish or dismiss climate change and global warming issues. Climate change and global warming are real and valid issues and need to be addressed separately and independently of a potential magnetic pole shift induced mini ice age. Because an ice age would be an act of nature on a solar system scale, while climate change and global warming are man-made. Since climate change and global warming are caused by man-made issues, they are easier to manage and control because the man-made issues of pollution and other factors can be managed through legislations, social movements, and individual human effort. The debate on climate change has been a controversial subject in the media, and it's become a politicized issue over the years, further dividing people into two sides of believers and non-believers of climate change. That is not how the debate on science should take place. It should be an open and honest discussion, free of an agenda, prioritizing the observed science and being open to an evolution of that science as technology makes progress. Now, we cannot talk about climate change without mentioning the pole shift, which is a natural course of climate change that occurs naturally without the interference of humans. Climate has always been changing on Earth throughout its life cycle, and the pole shift is one way for Earth to change its climate and usher in a mini ice age. In the description, you'll find a video dedicated to the pole shift and how it works. Climate change issues can be managed through the following: intensive recycling programs throughout the planet of commodities, metals, plastics, and organics with more efficiency and newer technologies. Addressing and reducing air pollution, specifically industrial pollution emissions and petroleum-derived fuel emissions from vehicle combustion engines. The use of alternative energy technologies, solar, wind, and new breakthroughs in electric power generation for powering private and public transportation vehicles. Better management of Earth's mineral resources and agricultural resources by reducing waste. Stopping fracking activities throughout the planet because fracking is a major source of underground water reservoir pollution and damage. Fracking is a major disturbance to the natural process of water cycles and underground water filtration. This theory of the magnetic pole shift should not be used as an argument against climate change or global warming, because both pole shift and man-made climate changes are two separate and distinct issues that are affecting the climate and life on Earth. These issues should be addressed by different actions. Since these issues have different and distinct causes, they require different solutions.